Hi everyone, I am at the Chattanooga Memorial for the guys who were shot by some wacko in Chattanooga in July last year. And so what happened was that he came here, and there were kids here who was trying to interview for the armed forces, and this guy comes in and shoot them. So Steve, what happened? And you were telling me about this place. How did the people feel here when it happened?
The whole nation was sad, but especially here because that's where it happened. And across the street here, there was an area for a memorial that people just came bringing flowers and everything. That was maybe 75 feet wide and hundreds of feet long. Just came to pay their respects. Some people, there were people that just were emotional, got down on their knees and cried for the sorrow, for the loss of those innocent people.
So what did we learn from this? What did America learn? What did you learn from this? Did it help anyone?
I don't think senseless killing helps anybody. I don't understand it, so I can't wrap my head around why one human would take another human's life.
How do you feel if you see the same thing happening in other parts of the world? For example, a drone comes in and drops bombs and 10 girls die. How do you think they feel?
Senseless. There's no reason somebody should be taking somebody's life unless you're actively defending your own life, and that's what happens, I think. But unless somebody's there to hurt you or somebody around you, let's get along.
Well, I hope that the world learns from this, and people learn from this, and instead of getting angry that what happened, and maybe we should start thinking what has happened and how can we prevent this from happening, rather than saying we should go and kill them, and then they will say the same thing, we'll go kill them. When will this end, right? Why can't we just become we instead of they and us? Just if you're just we,
it's easier that way.
It's easier that way.
Just love everybody.
All right, peace to everyone, and I'm sorry for everyone who died here, and I hope that they're in a better place than we are, and their blood is not wasted, and we learn from something from this all that happens, and this is a memorial which has maybe made for them, and may it keep us, remind us all the time that stop killing everyone.